This is DMP Journey checking in with you. I'm messing with the front bumper. I'm going to clean it up, spray paint it, get some of this rust off of it. I already loosened some bolts. I'm not going to take it all the way off. I will if I have to, but this is where I'm at right now. Let me check back in with you when I get a little bit further. It's taped off. I want to get some cardboard and spray paint it. See what it turns out to look like. Alright, it's spray painted black. It don't look the best, but better than what it was. You still see pivots. I notice right here there's a rust hole in it, so this is just temporary. It is what it is for now. Alright, the bumper was sagging. I adjusted the bumper, painted it, painted my hooks blue. Kind of see it. See, it's up a little bit better than what it was. It looks better, doesn't it? There you go. I went ahead and replaced my bumper last week and I sprayed it today too. And check it out. It's not bad. To match the front bumper. That'd be it.